So would you, her hair you would consider medium length, or could you achieve this look if someone had shorter hair?
Yeah.
How would you?
I think
would you
shorter
advise
hair
me?
is easier because you can just like put the netting into it and you put it into it. You know?
I see.
Yeah, so much easier. So just pin it in.
Mm-hmm.
So the net helps to scoop your hair into it, you know, so it's easier to handle that way. So it's actually like you are working, you have dirty hair for 2 days, and you have like
Is there a nicer term than dirty hair?
a nicer term. Okay, maybe 2 days unwashed hair.
Unwashed hair.
Yeah, you didn't shampoo your hair for 2 days.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you just keep it sleek, you know, neat. Okay.
Do they have nettings like for example, her hair obviously is it's got blonde, it's very light color.
Yeah, you do have it.
You have like nettings that are more similar color to the hair as well.
Yeah.
And I've noticed it's just the regular pins that you usually use just to keep it in place and everything.
Yeah.
Right?
So,
And hairspray is always essential.
exactly.
To keep it neat.
Absolutely.
What would you say this hairstyle is good for? What sort of occasions, Kelly?
You have meetings, like, you know, you feel your hair is like a bit out of place or bad hair day, you know,
Yes.
you want to just put it neat, sleek, and that's it. You go for the meeting, or you have an evening event, you can put on the bow. You can do it for many different styles.
Many different styles. Actually, I know you used earlier you said dirty hair,
Yeah.
2 days not washed hair.
Yeah.
And I do find that sometimes if I've been really busy and yes, maybe did not wash my hair for a day or two, doing a bun can actually save the whole look.
Exactly.
And make you look fresh even though
Elegant.
elegant as
Yeah.
well. Yeah.
Okay, ta-da, done.
Done. So that's
Yeah.
really simple.
Yes.
And someone with long thick hair, do they sell nettings that are thicker or bigger?
Yes, this is stretchable.
Mm-hmm.
You can stretch it and put your hair in and then you pin it in.
Pin it in.
Yeah.
Nice one. So
So
that's
easy.
a lot.
Done.
So what's our next look that we're gonna go
So,
for?
yeah.